Class 10 Social Science History Causes of Quit India Movement or the circumstances under which M.K. Gandhi launched Quit India Movement or factors responsible for Quit India Movement. These may be the question for the answer I am telling you now. The then factors or circumstances. In 1939 World War First broke out and the British needed Indian support, but the Indians were not willing to support the British as they had deceived Indians in after the World War First. They received Indian support on the promise that they would give uh, right to self-determination to Indians, but in place of that they gave Rowlatt Act and ultimately Jallianwala Bagh. Therefore, Indians were not willing to help them, to support them, but they by force dragged India into the war. This was one of the cause. Next one is that time provincial governments were running in the 11 states of provinces of India, and when India was dragged into the war, the British did not feel the need of taking the consent of the Indian leaders. When autonomous government was running in almost all the provinces of the country, it was considered to be an insult, and therefore the provincial government resigned. And these two these two factors led India towards 1942, that is Agast Kranti, that is Quit India movement. Next point is that Cripps Mission came to India to enlist Indian support, but the INC rejected this Cripps Mission proposal because INC wanted to have complete freedom, complete independence, nothing less than that, and such proposal was not there in Cripps Mission. Similarly, Muslim League rejected this Cripps Mission because Muslim League wanted to have a separate state, Pakistan, and this mission has nothing like this. This mission does not have such proposal. Therefore, Muslim League rejected Cripps Mission. As a result, Cripps Mission failed. Next point, the Indians held the Britishers responsible for Japanese attack, and they wanted to expel the Britishers from Indian soil. This was how, by expelling the British from Indian soil, they thought that they could save themselves from Japanese attack, because Japan did not have any grievance against India and Indians. It was attacking India because that time India was a British colony. Therefore, they started Quit India movement, Bharat Chhoro Andolan. Next is terror in East Bengal. East Bengal, people were in terror in East Bengal. One terror was of Japanese attack, another terror was of different type of natural calamity, flood, storm, and epidemic, and they felt that the British government would not protect them from such calamities, terror in Bengal, and Indians were hopeless that they would have to save themselves, and the British would not save save the Indian and Indian interest. Therefore, one conference of INC was held in Bombay on 8 August 1942, and Quit India resolution was passed in that conference. और इस तरीके से 1942 का क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट शुरू हो गया. थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस टाइम. पसंद आएगा, याद कीजिए.